If I go into in-school suspension and I see the same kids in there in November, I can go in there and take attendance. I have kids who come into in-school suspension, the older kids, and they say to me, tell that kid to get out of my seat. That's not in-school suspension. You don't have an assigned seat in there. But for some kids, that's where they land all the time, and so they actually purposely get there, because if I'm socially inept, I might as well go to in-school suspension, because that's where all my friends are. I've had kids who come to me and say, oh, miss, I'm behind on my schoolwork. I got to get myself in the tank for a little while, see if I can't catch up. You ever had that happen? Yeah. Think I'll get myself tanked for a couple days. That'll give me some time to do my work. That's not good problem solving. So if you're in the tank because you want to do your work, while you're in there, the person who's running in-school suspension should be teaching you some strategies of organization or getting your work done. That's the job of in-school suspension. Not sitting there reading the paper, doing whatever it is, and just letting these kids go sleep or whatever. If you sleep in in-school suspension, it doesn't count. You come back the next day. You don't do what you're supposed to do in in-school suspension. You don't participate in an afternoon, guidance department discussion. You come back the next day. It is a consequence that should be teaching a skill. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss another video. I speak and consult on school behavior, and I love to help districts solve some of these problems. See you next time.